Here we go. We're at FD51, Summerland Key Airport. Taking a little runway excursion. Notice I said excursion, not incursion. President's Day today. Kind of protected in here, but it's definitely super windy.
Yeah, you think that one wasn't from Canada, eh?
Yes, she was. I always wanted to look this airplane up. N1611. Why?
Which one?
That 172 that never goes anywhere. Hello. I think we're about to get a headwind. Always wanted to look this airplane up too. I don't know if that's a skipper or what it is. We are definitely at the landing end of the runway for today. Get back up on the street. Okay, headwind. Big headwind. Yep, this is FD51, Foxtrot Delta 51. And that is definitely not a skipper. It's got a 3-blade prop. I like the Cherokee 6. I like the Hawk XP. That RV had some problems last I knew. Hello. Had an aborted takeoff and I hadn't seen it move since, and that was last year. Hear the wind whistling. Concludes our tour of FD51, Foxtrot Delta 51. We're Yep, runway 30. 12 would be the other end.